everyone, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys how I decorate my dining room for the summer. My color palette is neutral with a hint of pink and mauve. Now, in last week's video, I asked you guys if you would comment on which pillow you liked best from my haul, and many of you chose this one, and this is the one that I decided to use. And I think it looks really good with everything that's going on. I also showed you guys some flowers in my haul, and so this is the floral arrangement that I put together with the flowers from Tuesday morning. So here on the buffet, I have added more flowers, and in the lantern, I added a little decor. So I'm going to let you guys take a closer look at some of the details, and I hope you enjoy touring my light and airy summer dining room.